Hello, welcome back with another video part 2 wixwebsite.com. How to make Wix website, how to make a website with wix.com. This is the part 2. Make your own website and get built-in tools to grow your business online. You can make online store, online scheduling software. You can add personal blog. You can add a logo maker. Wix.com provides you custom domains, custom SEO tools, and manage, promote, and grow your business online. Create a website with the Wix Website Builder and use the built-in professional business suite to promote and manage your business. In all one place, generate leads and drive conversation with email marketing, Facebook ads, landing page, and customer management tools. Then track your success and make data-driven decision on how to improve with Wix Analytics. How to create a Wix how to create a free website. Follow these 6 simple steps to create a website today. Sign up for a free website builder. Choose what kind of website you want to create. Number 2, customize a template or get a website made for you. Choose your starting point. Number 3, drag and drop hundreds of designs, features, add text, galleries, videos, vector art, and more. Number 4, get ready for businesses. Add an online store, booking system, member area, and blog. Number 5, publish your website and go live. Start building your professional online presence. Drive traffic to your sites. Use advanced SEO tools and integrated marketing solutions. Why the Wix website builder is the best choice for you? With 85% of consumers search online before making a purchase, it's never been more important for your business to have a website. Create a free and professional website using Wix with over 500 customizable, eye-catching templates, free reliable web hostings, powerful SEO tools, and 24 by 7 customer care. Wix is more than just a website builder, it's a complete online business solutions. Sell your products with built-in e-commerce features and take booking of your services. Use the integrated marketing and customer management tools to help drive sales and conversations. Over 180 million people worldwide have chosen Wix create to fix website, and you can do it too. Spark your creativity, follow the latest trends, improve your skills with how to's, and get inspired by case study of Wix below. It is easy to build a website. Yes, Wix offers a few different ways to create your own free website. You can choose a creation process and it works best for you. Okay, if you like my video, then hit the like, subscribe, and share my channel to your friends. Okay, see you, take care in the next video. Bye bye.